If you're lying awake right now, it's not your fault. Your brain needs 3 things to sleep: magnesium, tryptophan, melatonin. Problem is, most people get 0 before bed. I found 10 foods that naturally have all 3. Scientists study them for sleep quality. Number 7 is just 2 pieces of fruit. No pills, no weird hacks. Just food plus timing. Stay 5 minutes. I'll show you exactly what to eat tonight. I'm not a doctor, and this isn't medical advice. If you have sleep problems, talk to a healthcare professional. But if you want foods that may support a calmer night, this is for you. Start with number 10, bananas. They have magnesium and potassium. Those minerals help muscles relax. Think of it like an unclench button for your body. Eat one about 45 minutes before bed. Slice it and freeze it if you want ice cream texture without the sugar crash. Number 9, oats. Oats are complex carbs. Carbs help an amino acid called tryptophan reach your brain more easily. Try a small bowl of plain oatmeal 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Skip the sugar. Add banana slices from number 10 if you want it to taste better. Number 8, almonds. Almonds give you magnesium and a bit of melatonin. That's the hormone your body makes when it gets dark. A small handful is enough. About 20 almonds. Don't eat the whole bag or your stomach will be busy all night instead of resting. Number 7, kiwi fruit. This one surprises people. Studies had people eat 2 kiwis an hour before bed. They reported falling asleep faster and sleeping longer. No one knows exactly why. Maybe antioxidants, maybe something else. 2 kiwis, peeled, 1 hour before bed. That's the whole thing. Number 6, walnuts. Walnuts have melatonin plus healthy fats. The fats slow digestion so the melatonin doesn't hit all at once. Eat 5 to 6 walnut halves about 2 hours before bed. Crack them yourself. The sound is weirdly calming and it slows you down. Number 5, turkey. Turkey has tryptophan. You've heard the Thanksgiving story. But here's the detail most people miss. Tryptophan needs carbs to get to your brain. So a few slices of turkey on a small piece of whole grain bread works better than turkey alone. Keep the portion small so your body isn't busy digesting all night. Number 4, fatty fish like salmon. Salmon gives you omega-3s and vitamin D. Low vitamin D has been linked to poor sleep patterns in some studies. Have grilled salmon for dinner, not right before bed. Give your body 3 to 4 hours to digest. You're helping your sleep cycle, not forcing sleep. Number 3, milk or plant milk. Warm milk is a classic for a reason. It has tryptophan and calcium. Calcium helps your brain use tryptophan. Heat it up, add cinnamon if you like. Oat milk works too. The warmth plus the ritual tells your brain it's time to wind down. Number 2, chamomile tea. Chamomile has apigenin. That's a compound that binds to receptors in your brain linked to feeling calm. Brew it weak if strong tea keeps you up to use the bathroom. Sip it 45 minutes before bed. No phone while you drink it. The ritual matters as much as the tea. And number 1, pumpkin seeds. This is number 1 for a reason. Pumpkin seeds are one of the highest plant sources of tryptophan and magnesium. A small handful. About 2 tablespoons. You can roast them with a pinch of salt if you want. Crunchy, cheap, and easy to keep by your bed. Now the mistake that cancels all of this. You can eat all 10 foods and still lie awake if you eat a huge meal, sugary snacks, or caffeine right before bed. Sugar spikes your energy. Caffeine blocks sleep signals. Big meals make your body work instead of rest. So timing matters more than the food itself. Try these 2 to 3 hours before you plan to sleep. Small portions. Don't try all 10 tonight. That's overwhelming and your stomach won't thank you. Start small. Tonight, try number 7 and number 1, 2 kiwis and a handful of pumpkin seeds. That's it. See how you feel tomorrow morning. Sleep is built from small choices, not big overhauls. If this gave you something useful, hit like and subscribe. Comment sleep and tell me which number you're trying tonight. More simple, research-backed tips coming. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer. This video is for general information only. It is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor about sleep problems or dietary changes, especially if you take medication.